I like to smooth out my face a little bit before I get going. What's up, guys? Welcome back to the channel. Thank you for watching. Thanks for coming back. If you're a new subscriber, thank you for subscribing.
That was sick. That was slow.
Thank you for subscribing. If you don't know about our giveaway, I always mention this. At 100,000 subscribers, we are giving a car wrap giveaway. We're giving away a car wrap. So the car wrap's going to be available to anybody in the world. You know, so if you win this and you're in Europe, or if you win this and you're down the street in Riverside, we're coming to you. We're going to wrap the vehicle at your home, or wherever we can make this work at. But we want to give a wrap to one of our subscribers. That's at 100,000 subscribers. Once we reach 90,000 subscribers, we're going to put an email link up where you can actually enter your email into this. If you're a subscriber of ours, enter your email, and that's how we're going to randomly generate the winner. So to clear that up, for everybody's asking how, we're going to choose the winner. Another question that I keep getting is, what if I win and I don't have a car? If you don't have a car, you probably shouldn't enter. You can subscribe and you can keep watching, but this is for somebody who has a vehicle that wants to get it wrapped by us. So we're going to definitely have some regulations on age and having a vehicle. So it doesn't matter what type of vehicle. It can be a truck, car, Hummer, a van. I don't care. We'll wrap it. But let's get past that. So the 100,000 subscriber giveaway coming soon. The video that you're about to watch, it's going to be really, really scattered. I've been taking some time off the shop. My kid's 5 and he just started school, so I took some time off to be with him while he's starting kindergarten. So that was cool. I had a few days off. The guys, though, they've been here killing it. So they wrapped up a Mustang. We did a Minion-themed project for this person that wanted their Yaris wrapped yellow. Looks really cool. I'm really pumped on that one. The Mustang's done in a holographic film. Super dope. But let's just get into it. Thank you guys for watching.
I'm into working and going home and crying myself to sleep. You're recording me.
So, Danny Courtney, if you guys don't know who Danny is, Danny has a great YouTube channel. Go check him out. Look at him. What did we say he looked like?
Guile from Street Fighter.
Oh, put in the Guile Street Fighter photo next to him.
Please don't.
He does. His is brand self-driven, and he doesn't know how to self-install vinyl, so we're gonna.
Nah, I self-drive. I don't self-install.
Yeah, we're gonna show him how to do it. So we made a banner for his business, and we're gonna put it on here.
Let's do it. Yeah.
Since this logo is a reverse cutout, meaning that the window is going to actually show through right in this area. It's not a white decal.
Yeah.
There is transfer tape in this area. That's going to be removed after the banner is installed.
Why is that? So when you
so the letters all stay together. So this
Gotcha.
all this stays together. So it'll make more sense as we get through the process. But what I'll do is I'm going to hand this to you.
Okay.
You take it this way. See how all the letters stayed?
Mm-hmm. Yeah.
All right. So let's kind of use our alignment marker to follow up from the middle. All right, and then you're gonna go to
This material feels. You can feel good material and then you can feel bad material.
Right.
And you just know.
Well, just like right off the bat, bad material, you wouldn't be able to do it dry. With this one, you have the option of doing wet or dry. So because it's good material, you can just push the air right through. You also have the option, like if it's your first time DIY, you can spray a little bit of mist of water. That'll help slow down the process of sticking, but the material's really good. It's easy to work with.
Like this right here, that bubble.
Yeah, so you got this bubble,
With
right?
crappy material, you'll never be able to get that out.
Me, I might not be able to get this one out.
But here's the thing, that would have already creased already.
Right. So right now, let me just rub it out.
You're an aggressive guy.
Super aggressive.
Oh, yeah, so aggressive.
Alright, so here we go. We're going to remove the transfer tape. Now that the banner's installed, we can start to peel this off. When you pull this back, you want to pull it right over itself. Like,
Yeah.
what that should do is, you should be leaving the letters back.
Oh, missed the long arms. Dang, awesome, man. Dude, this looks so tight. Dang. That's clean. That is super clean. I love the way satin black looks.
Yeah, looks good.
Yeah.
So the banner's universal, it can go on any car,
Yeah.
and basically you just trim it to fit whatever car you're installing on.
So there's like bleed at the top, right?
Right, so we're gonna get rid of all this and all this. We're just using a blade, trim it out.
Courtney stepping in.
Teamwork makes the dream work.
I'm showing Boss Man over here how to wrap a thing or two. Yeah.
I've learned a lot today, so thank you.
Yeah, I do that. We got Edwin. I'm going to show Edwin what to do. Mitch over here is really struggling with the psychedelic, so I'm bringing it up to him. Show him how to rub it in after that 24-hour mark, how it's perfect. So, just the techniques.
Did you tighten your side up over there, huh? Yeah. Okay, this side's just finger tight right now. It'll drop as soon as you're ready to start. Do you have the
Holy crap! Jeez!
You fucking filming trying to get reactions?
I got him.
Oh my fucking
Thank God you didn't get me. I think I pissed his face.
What's the workload looking like, boys?
Hella.
Hella?
Hella.
Tight.
Deep breath, inhale, exhale, talk about it. Okay, so the 2018 WRX STI has a different headlight than the 2015 through 17. We just found that out. So we have a 17 here. I don't know what this is. It's a 15 through 17. But we have an Ember Delete kit that goes right here. Looks really good. It's one of the most popular products for this car. And come to find out, it doesn't fit the 18 model. The 18 model has a little bit different internals. The headlight's still the same shape, but the internals are a little bit different. So the Ember Delete on this one's much bigger than that one. So we just recreated it. Well, actually redesigned for this one. And it looks really cool. This one's way more aggressive. Like our previous Ember Delete only came out to about here. In this headlight, there's a chrome shroud that we're covering up. So you still get the boomerang effect. But I like the way that looks. I like what they did to the headlight. And I like that we're able to change up the design a little bit. And I say, come chill, and he comes 30 minutes later. What up, bro? How are you? Good to see you, dude. Let me see the whip. Let me take a look real quick. pumped on the quality and the way everything came out. You know, I think everything really came out well.
Awesome.
I was watching your shows on YouTube all the time, and I'm like, dude, if I'm gonna get this car wrapped, I'm coming here.
Thank you. You drove out from San Francisco, right?
From Hayward.
Hayward? Okay. So that's a 7-hour drive?
6.
6? That's a drive. It's definitely a drive.
Yep. But hey, it's worth it.
Yeah. They're waxing it up, so so as far as keeping it clean and all that, same thing. Normal like your paint. You use quick detailer on it, which will help shine it up. If you ever want to get a car wrap, let us know.
All right, sounds good.
All right, man. Drive safe, guys. Hey, thank you.
Bye.
They drove pretty far. Came out from San Francisco. He said it was about a 6-hour drive. Dropped off the car about 2 weeks ago. Original color was white, and they wanted to go with the minion yellow. So we took care of it. It's now in minion yellow, and they just took delivery, and they're really happy with it. So they killed it. Mitchie and the guys, they did a really good job. I didn't really have too much to do with that car. I was, I think I told you guys, I've been kind of standing back and letting these guys kind of really own it and progress their skills. I'm just monitoring everything, and they killed it. It looks great. Customer's really happy. Now we got to deliver a Mustang, so let's get that done.
What's up, Premium Fam? It's your boy Edwin, and we got this young Coyote Mustang just chilling in the shop, and the owner decided to wrap it this gloss psychedelic color, and let's get started.
We're gonna get this material cut out. We gotta measure 40 down so we can get them fenders re-wrapped, or not re-wrapped, excuse me, just wrapped for the first time. It's gonna be that Coyote Mustang. Gonna get wrapped in that young Shockerdelic.
I wish I could turn the clock back, recollect all of my comrades I had, ones that we shared, the times that we laughed. Now in my rear view, all of my past, and I get down on the count, I don't grasp. About a quarter through life, soon it's half. Swear down my life, it is moving too fast. Wanna reflect, but it's no time for that. Wish I could sleep, but I need to wake up. Look to the sky, maybe nothing above. Look to her eyes, and I still wanna love. Look at my life, and it's still open cuts. Yet still I've been healing with time. Shielding these negative thoughts from my mind. It's therapeutic, my music and rhymes. My only time when I'm truly alive. And I wish somehow I could be perfect. Or with these women, I wasn't as nervous. I wish that I could find me a real purpose, because there has to be more than these verses. And lately I'm sipping like Kermit, or ain't see me, could be that I'm working. Pen and need paper for uni is hurting. I'm on my grind cause it's all I'm concerned with. But who listen, I wish I'm the best. This life you live in, don't live with regrets. And you're right, that it's much easier said. The effort you put in, you get in the end. I know that motor keeps slowing, it drops. I know that pressure start weighing a lot. That's when you give all the effort you got. So keep on moving, don't you ever stop.
Is that one of you guys?
Yeah.
Who's doing it? Can you guys do it for the vlog?
Yeah, do it.
Oh shit, let's hear it. That's time, man, that's time. Good shit, man.
Hi guys, my name's Johnnee. Follow me on Instagram and hey, shut up over there! So this is the last part of the Mustang here. This is the diffuser piece. We're doing it all in one piece just so make sure it looks really good. It's gonna hold up good because we all laid it properly. We made sure not to stretch or not to stress the material in any places that it shouldn't be. But just check it out. It's coming out awesome.
Psychedelic Camaro. Just kidding. It's a Mustang. Psychedelic wrapped Mustang 5.0 Coyote package. Is that what it is? Get the f*** out of here. I don't want to do this. Let's get out of here. Let's go do a video. it came out dope. And all I can do is show you guys. Like, I can tell you how cool it is. We can try to show you through YouTube how cool it is. But you just gotta see it in person. But let's take it outside. That's when it really pops. So this whole color is holographic.
Oh my god! Jesus Christ. It's so
good. Everything just went really well together. All the contrast, everything you've already done. We added the 5.0 badges for you, but other than that, it's just a wrap. You know, you did all the hard work. We just did the wrap.
Still, I don't even say I'm speechless.
That's dope. That's dope. I'm glad you're happy with it, man.
Even you're surprised. The started sounding different.
Damn. Which stays louder? That was.
I don't know who's louder, but they're both loud as hell. They're loud as hell.
No one else has been able to beat us, to be honest. I never had bad.
What do you have done?
I have full Morla headers and then Morla 3-inch attack cam packs.
Got it. Dude, sounds crazy. Yep. All right, so if you want your car to sound like that, hit up this guy. This is crazy, man.
More than happy.
All right.
More than happy, man. Thank you.
Cool, man. Thanks for letting us do it.
Yeah,
of course. Of course. Well, that's the end of this one. Mustang's done. This one's going to be next, right?
Yeah.
All right, cool. But put that rev battle in. That was crazy. Tell us what you guys think. Comment below. Which one do you think was louder? They were both loud as hell to me. We'll see you guys in the next one.
For the call alarms when I fly by, sound like I just put 50 racks in my STI. Super fly ride, Instagram watching worldwide. My style is premium, everything you see me in. Switch the raps up every season. The hottest models on earth love it how the engine purr. Never swerve when I'm bending curves, do not disturb. Lesson learned, cause that's how we roll on the coast. See the garage like a mirage of a car show. Like a money in these streets for me.
Holy fuck.
This whole time it's been like that.
Oh my god.
Alright, boys, let's wrap up shop.
Sitting at the red light, sitting on call.